Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, remote start, convertible hardtop, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, engine immobilizer, convertible soft top, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.